All right, so before we can epoxy our coaster, we do not want to epoxy it right onto something. It's gonna, it'll glue down that way. So we want to put it so that it's elevated a little bit. I have cut a piece of cardboard. It's maybe 1.5 inches thick, 2 inches thick, squared kind of thing, and 4 pieces. You're going to glue them together. I'm going to use double-sided tape because that's what I have. If you have hot glue or, you know, a different type of glue, that'll work too. As you can see, I'm not doing a terribly good job. I'm not like sticking a whole bunch here. I'm just sticking enough that it sticks. All right. So now you can epoxy and it'll be nice and lifted. And if you get drips, then it'll go drip down and you can actually scrape it off.